Hi everyone, welcome back once again. This is a video to go through our syllabus and make sure you understand how the course is going to work and what's in the syllabus. So here I am on the home page, and we're going to go ahead and click on the syllabus tab over here on the left. And here's the course syllabus page. So if you want a paper copy of everything that's down here, so this is just pasted and copied directly out of the paper copies. The entire syllabus is right here for you to see if you want. But if you want a paper copy, if you're keeping a nice 3-ring binder with all your notes and information, here's where you can download and print out the paper copy. This is where the video I'm making is going to go right now when I'm done. And here's the syllabus. Okay, so all the information's here. Notice I've given you my cell phone. I typically don't give out my cell phone, but with the pandemic and me not being in my office at all, I want you to have my cell phone, and I don't want you to be afraid to text me at any point to get a hold of me. Email me. Certainly email me anytime you want. Email is not much slower than texting. It's pretty much, I'm checking email all the time, so you can always get through to me. And by the way, I love working with students, so you don't feel like don't feel like contacting me is some sort of bother of me. I mean, this is why I'm teaching this course now. I don't have to. These are volunteer to teach right now, and I like doing it. So don't hesitate. All right, so this is the stuff that you need. My math lab, I did a video in the modules page in the week 0 module about registering for my math lab. You got to do that now. You got to get it done immediately. Your first homework is due Wednesday night by midnight. Then your second homework's due Thursday night by midnight. So I really don't want you to wait until Wednesday either, but I'm trying to give you a little bit of time in case life is happening to you, but you got to get going in this course. The dates of the exams, I'll explain those more as we get close to them. We have 5 quizzes, 1 for every week, except for the last week because the final exam is on Thursday or Friday of that last week. Homework for each week of the course, there's usually 3 homeworks. Except for the very last week, you only have 2 homeworks because we need less material because we need to be able to take that final exam by the end of that week. And I explained to you about the class notes check, etc. in the course description video, so that's a real gimme part of your course. Please make sure you do that. Class attendance, of course I'm not taking attendance, but we monitor attendance by are you participating in the course. Now, if you've waited 10 days and you've done nothing, you will be dropped. If you've waited 10 days and you've done nothing, you will fail. You just can't do that. There's no way that you will do well in this course. You got to get on this course. You got to get into it immediately. After those first 10 days, if you're not active for any 7-day period, any week period, any rolling 7-day period, then I'm also going to have to drop you. I just cannot have you not pay attention to this course for that long. I mean, I hate to even put that. That's the college policy. Really, you need to pay attention to this course every day. You need to do stuff in it every day. Okay, so there are specific deadlines for the course. The deadlines are all marked in the calendar. They're on the course schedule down here, like the first homework. Oops, it's 7/8, not 7. It's due Wednesday, so that's July 8th. But I have the deadline. If you look down to the electronic syncing, it does already say Wednesday, July 8th for homework 1. Okay, so I just missed that on the syllabus, but we'll just leave it there. Homework 2 is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. Homework 3 due Saturday by 11:59. Typically it's going to be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, but right now this first week it's Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. And these due dates, yes, that's for 100%. If you want full credit for doing the homework, they have to be done by then. But the homeworks for that week all remain open through the entire week. You may still submit them anytime up until Sunday night at midnight when the quiz is due. You may still submit them for only a 10% penalty of problems that you have not answered before the due date. So it's really a minor penalty. But I have these due dates because I got to get you moving. I can't have you procrastinating in this course. And then week 2, etc. So that's how that all works, and that's how the syllabus works. These are linked electronically with My Math Lab, so these due times and dates are coming directly from My Math Lab, so you know it's set up properly. And it's for the whole course. There's no due dates for these notes sections, but these notes checks, but they're the same due date time as the homework. and they would have the same penalty throughout the week for not getting them in on time as well. Okay, hope that makes sense about the course, and you're pretty much ready to go at this point.